We're gonna zoom. Watch this. It's gonna zoom. Whoa! I was afraid I'd lose it. Oh, whoa! Whoa! Well, good thing I was standing here. Wow, that car got 22 volts. It's outrageous. Oh, yeah. Mattel Hot Wheels Proto X. Check this out, how easy it is to work on the rear end and get the pinion gear out. You just clip it out. 2 clips. Piece drops out. Has the magnet in it. And the axle just falls out. You can replace the pinion gear in 10 seconds. I mean, like, he wasn't going to try to put it back in backwards here. He would be able to do it even quicker. Wrong way. There you go. Yeah, I mean, is that nice or what? That's so much easier than trying to get the Carrera rear end off. I mean, seriously. Wow. Mattel Hot Wheels. Giant motor. Bigger pinion gear, bigger shaft in it than the Carrera one. I'm not sure how you get that off. I mean, you could pull the motor out maybe first. I don't know. But to get the rear axle off, you got to like slide that over and pull the wheels off and slide the axle out. I mean, like, it's a nightmare. This over here is easy. Got headlights in this car too. It's pretty cool. It hauls butt. And it's good. I'm gonna look into more Hot Wheel cars. I like the way it's built. It's excellent. Been able to work on that rear end like that. There's a 150 scale motor. Look how much bigger it is than that. Jeez. That's the 150 scale Lightning Carrera First. They're nice. They're fun. There's a 143rd scale Corvette. We're gonna weigh the bodies next. Yeah, and Mattel impresses me. The Hot Wheels is nice. Looks good too. Bolt-on fin. Bolt-on fin. How cool is that? Yeah, we're going to weigh the bodies and then we'll maybe run it up. Run around the track a little bit. Bolt-on pin. Guide. Okay, let's weigh them. This body is 6 grams. I hope I show that. Kind of. Okay, that's 6 grams. This one weighs in at 8 grams the way it is, but it's missing the windshield and the rear fin, and I weighed the windshield. It's like 3 grams. So we basically got 11 grams on the Corvette, 6 grams on the Hot Wheels, Mattel Hot Wheels 143rd scale Proto X. And we're going to raise the 150 scale Carrera First. And it weighs 5 grams. And you see the size of the motor in the Carrera First compared to the size of the motor in this Mattel's car. I mean, it's crazy. And that Carrera First car moves out. They haul butt, you know. They're fast, very fast car. So we'll run it up on the track now. So Carrera uses, they got heavy bodies. Carrera just kind of has heavy bodies, 11 grams to basically have a car about the same size. It kind of looks like it's in between scales, like it's in between these two cars, the 143rd and the 150. But it's supposedly a 143rd scale. And let's run it up on the track. It runs good. I've already had it on the track a little bit, and it's nice. It hauls butt. We'll start it out at like 15 volts and see how that does, and move it up from there if we need to. But there's the weigh-in. And I'm impressed by the Mattel Hot Wheels. I like it. I think it's a nice looking. Take the lap counter. It doesn't activate it, and it's got a clear pin. It's got that white pin. It does not. It does not activate it when it goes through. But see the black pin does. Pretty crazy. Yeah, that one doesn't register through my lap counter with the white pen. Maybe I can. Okay, so we painted it black with a magic marker. I did it blue with a magic marker, and it did not work. It did not work with the blue. I found a black magic marker, and it works with the black magic marker. It didn't work with the blue. It was blue, and it didn't work. I got it black, and it worked. Wow. But it was clear. It's a clear kind of white, not really clear, but a white plastic. You can see the base of it. And it wouldn't read by the lap counter. But I magic markered it black, and it will. But I don't know how long that black will stay on there. Going around the track, it's probably going to... Let's go to 13.5, 13.4. Start there, and then we'll go up. See how fast it is at 13 volts. Huh? It's running backwards, so I'm going to have to reverse the wires in there eventually, but I'll just run it backwards for the... Check it out right now. Oh yeah, you can run it at that. I'm sure when you turn that up, it's going to have some balls. Oh man, this thing is fast. At 13 volts, I don't. Let's go ahead and turn it up and see what happens. Let's make a big jump. Let's just go to like 16.9. Hook up. Oh, did you see that? Zoom down there. Man. Yeah, it moved out. On there. Alright, we're going to zoom. Watch this. It's going to zoom. Whoa! I was afraid I'd lose it. Oh, whoa! Whoa! Well, good thing I was standing here. Wow, that car got 22 volts. It's outrageous. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's crazy. I want to come shooting off the... You could destroy this thing. Oh, shoot. I wrecked it. We wrecked into the scenery or something happened already. But, oh, there's the test runs. Let me tell some bitches badass.